can give you my name, but are you listening?
I am.
I walked to the door. No one ID'd me.
Okay.
So why would he choose to grab?
I don't know. We weren't here. We don't work.
So bring out here.
Any gloves, ski masks, anything like that on you?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Why?
Gets kind of cold out.
Okay.
So it sounds to me like a thing that students are known to do sometimes. I assume that lesson has been thoroughly learned.
Alright. This is what we're gonna do, because I gotta do my due diligence and I gotta do everything properly, right?
Okay.
Now, put your hands behind your back for me. Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Every generation thinks the next one's wild, but let's be real. Growing up with smartphones, memes, and chaos makes Gen Z a whole different species. And you can see it in the crimes. They're not robbing banks, they're going viral while getting arrested. We're breaking down 6 Gen Z police run-ins, all caught on Bodycam, so buckle up. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. First, we're heading to West Milford, New Jersey, where reports come in regarding a single motor vehicle crash. Lieutenant Yevshak rolls on scene to 21-year-old Alexis Trader, who's a little shaken up but chatting with a tow truck driver.
What's up, bud? How are you? What happened?
I hit into the bridge.
Okay.
I went around the turn too fast.
Okay. Not hurt? You're good? Just you in the car?
No, it's, yeah, just
Okay.
the car. It's the first time my airbags deployed though, so like I'm kind of shooken up. Like,
Okay.
just because
Oh, rightfully so. I'm assuming you have your license on you, or is everything in the car? Everything's in the car?
Yep.
We're just gonna grab your license, the registration, the insurance.
Yeah.
I'll get you a card. He's gonna load it up and get you out of here. Where do you live?
Oakland.
Oakland?
Yeah.
Do you have anybody coming or no?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Seems routine. The lieutenant walks with Alexis to the car to grab paperwork and then heads back to his patrol unit to fill out the crash report.
Alright, so this is yours. This is Crash Doc's card. It takes 5 to 7 business days for the report to be completed. Should automatically go to the insurance. I would call them today, let them know you're in an accident. Alright.
Okay.
For some reason, if you need a copy for your own records, you go on that website, Westmore Township Police, with that case number, and you can print one out yourself.
Okay.
You're good if you want to come with me. I can take you to the middle of town, to the Dunkin'.
Okay.
Yeah, my sergeant said it's fine. I just needed to clear with her before I yelled it. Nothing on your person that's wild and crazy. You're not going to blow my car up. The only thing I got to go through your bag. That's really about it. And then, no pockets, nothing like that. Okay.
Plot twist.
What about that?
Huh? It's alcohol.
Okay.
Do you want to
Yeah.
take it?
Yeah. Anything to drink this morning? So, we are going to why don't you come over here with me really quick? Alright. This is what we're gonna do, because I gotta do my due diligence and I gotta do everything properly, right?
Okay.
See, it's my pen? We're going to do a test with your eyes and your eyes only. It's called HGN, horizontal and nystagmus, okay? So what I want you to do, I want you to put your feet together, hands down your sides, okay? Tip of my pen, what color is it?
White.
Perfect. I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. You understand?
Yep.
Yeah.
The open container raises some concern, so Lieutenant Yevshak puts Alexis through a series of field sobriety exercises to determine whether or not this crash was more than just bad luck.
Okay. Good. All right. I'm going to have you turn around, face my car for me. All right, Alexis, I'm going to have you put your hands behind your back for me. Okay? Right now you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay? So So again, like I asked you before, anything on your person that I need to know about, anything that's going to poke, stick, harm? Nothing? Perfect. I'm going to double lock these. They're not too tight, right? No. 1-3 West Milford. 10-13, one adult female. Just alert Bloomingdale. Pockets, nothing like that. Right, just the back of my hand, making sure you don't got anything crazy, okay? Alright, we're gonna go right to the side of my car, this side, right? So just so you know, while you're in my car, everything's audio and video recorded, okay? All right, if you have any questions, you can ask, all right? But like I said, everything's audio and video recorded in my car. You good right there?
Yeah. Just trying to get the dust off my hair.
That's okay, don't worry about it. Just watch your head.
Did not take care of it.
My partners, we're gonna go right through that door and then we're gonna go down the steps to the left, okay?
Back at the station, she's brought into a holding room to sign some paperwork before being released to the only person scarier than a court date, Grandma.
Oh, they opened automatically.
Yep. All right, so dates and stuff she can explain to you if she would like to. She has all the information. I told you about the car. I told her about the car with the impound.
I have one more question about
Sure.
the will they be open at 7 o'clock
I
tonight?
don't know. You'll have their phone number and their address.
she
You can
has their phone
no. When you get the release.
When I come here at 7.
Correct.
Okay.
You'll have the phone number. You can give them a call. The guy that picked up's usually pretty good. So if he's able to be there, he'll be there for you. Okay.
Alexis was arrested and charged with driving while intoxicated, reckless driving, open container in a motor vehicle, and traffic on marked lines. At the time of this recording, no further information was found regarding the outcome of this case.
I see you're wearing the UGG slippers.
Yeah.
All right. Are they okay to walk straight line in and be able to balance and stuff like that?
I think so.
You think so? Okay.
Hey, what's up, man? Why were you covering your face?
My face?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of cold out.
Because it's kind of cold?
Yes, sir.
You got ID on you?
Oh, yes, sir.
Now it's just about midnight when a Volusia County deputy spots something that screams, "This guy's up to something." The man's roaming around a quiet neighborhood, reportedly rocking a ski mask on his head and holding gloves, a knife, and lock-picking tools.
You live around here?
No, sir.
No, sir?
I just take walks, sir.
Okay. And you stay off facing?
Yeah, I usually walk sometimes. I just get tired. I can't get sleep sometimes. I try to exhaust myself all the time.
Okay. Do you have any, by chance, like any gloves, ski masks, anything like that on you?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Why?
It gets kind of cold out.
Okay. At this point, I'm going to read you something real quick, okay?
Yes, sir.
Because right now, you are detained. You are not free to leave.
All right, sir.
Okay.
No worries.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. Excuse me. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and have the lawyer present during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand these rights that I've read to you? And with those rights in mind, do you want to answer my questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have a ski mask and gloves on you.
Yes, sir.
Can you show those to me, please?
There you go, sir.
Okay. All right, where's your ski mask?
This one, yes, sir. There you go.
All right. Do you mind showing me everything else that's in your pockets?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Phone? Yeah, I got this here. Yeah. I got this
Okay.
here. Yeah.
All right, go ahead and put your hands on your back, okay?
Okay, sir.
You're going to be under arrest, okay?
Okay, sir.
1 Alpha 42 Central. Yeah. 1012 is now 1015. If I haven't called out 1012.
Did me a favor, look at me, bud.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Alright, face the car. 30 feet.
Officers step in for a closer look, and that's when 20-year-old Jalen Vallejos allegedly starts unloading way more info than they bargained for.
You have lockpicks, you have a ski mask, you have gloves. You want to be honest with me with what you're doing out here?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
I was going to my ex house, sir.
Ex's house?
Yeah.
To do what?
It's just to watch her, sir.
Just to watch her?
Or break in, sir.
Break in? What were you going to break in to do?
I don't know, sir.
Is this an ex-girlfriend that you don't get along with?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What were you going to do with the knife?
You got a knife?
Yes. Okay. Were you going to use the knife on her?
No, sir.
What were you going to do then?
Oh,
Did you want to hurt her?
no.
Then why were you going to break into her house? I mean, just be honest with me, man, because, I mean, at this point, you're caught, okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
the more honest you are, the more you can do to benefit yourself, okay? Because this is a very serious situation, man. I'm not going to lie to you. So what were you going to do when you break into her house? It's middle of the night. You've got a glove mask. You've got a ski mask, lockpicks, a knife on you. You're telling me that you're going to go break into your ex's house. Well, I mean, what's the intention, man? Walk me through it. It's middle of the night.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah, I'm not sure sometimes.
Do you suffer from mental illness?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you diagnosed with? Okay. I'm just gonna lift your arms up real quick a bit so I can see them here, okay? You don't have any guns or anything like that
no,
concealed
sir.
on you? Just the knife?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Were you happen to doing anything with breaking into cars or anything like that?
No, sir.
No? So the intention coming out tonight was you were going to go to your ex-girlfriend's house.
Yes.
You were going to break into her house, and you weren't quite sure what you were going to do?
Yes.
Okay. What's her name? What is it? Okay. How do you know her?
I've been with her since high school, sir.
Since high school?
Yes.
I'm gonna put you in the back of the car, okay?
Okay.
Just relax.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna get the AC on for you, okay?
Okay.
Relax.
It's not designed for tall people, I'm so sorry.
If you want to sit with your back against the door, you can put your feet up on the seat, okay?
In the back of the patrol car, Jalen gets comfy enough to drop a confession, taking this whole thing from creepy to criminal.
So there's a chance then that you could have used it?
Yes.
Okay. What would you have tried to do with the knife?
I'll use it for self-defense if her father came out and tried to Granham.
Okay, so it would be for self-defense against the dad if he came out to.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Is there anything that you were going to do with the knife against? Like, was there any intention tonight of you breaking in and say, like, stabbing her while she's sleeping, and stabbing anybody while they're sleeping? Okay, so it's purely for self-defense if her dad woke up to confront you.
yes, sir.
Okay. You did intend to go there and, like, watch her, so
Yes.
you wanted to break in and just, like, watch her while she was sleeping?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
No, sir. I don't break in, I just watch it from the window, sir.
You just watch her from the outside? Well, then why'd have the burglary tools, though? Like the pickpocket stuff?
Locked to the fence to the right.
Okay, so that...
Completely unlocked.
The fence is unlocked, or you
Yes.
were going to unlock
It
it?
was unlocked the whole time.
You were already there tonight?
No, a couple months ago.
Okay, a couple months ago.
Yes.
So then why did you have the lockpick tools with you tonight?
Wasn't sure if they locked it or not, so I assumed it was.
Do you think that this could ever escalate
Yes.
into... Well, let me finish the
Sorry.
question, okay? Do you think that this could escalate ever to the point where it becomes physically violent against her? You do? Okay.
I'm afraid.
What's that?
I'm afraid.
You're afraid? Okay. Okay. I just have these questions just so that I understand everything from...
If you're wondering what the keys were, you see the keys.
Yeah,
I took my dad's truck.
Okay. So where's his truck at?
I don't know. I don't know where I'm talking about. It's, I don't...
So you did drive it
Yes,
tonight?
I did.
Okay.
It has a sledgehammer.
It has a sledgehammer in it? What were you going to do with the sledgehammer?
Probably gonna use it
On a person?
on our front door, maybe.
Okay. Do you think the sledgehammer could have been used against somebody?
Possibly.
Okay. Anybody in particular, or more so for like the self-defense route? Okay.
According to police, Jalen admitted to visiting his ex's house to watch her sleep the past 6 to 8 months and confirmed he was responsible for vandalizing her house back in April. For this incident, Jalen was charged with aggravated stalking, attempted armed burglary, loitering or prowling, possession of burglary tools, and criminal mischief. He was transported to the Volusia County Jail with no bond on his felony charges. Hey, by the way, what do the body cams we cover on After Hours every week prove? The world is unpredictable, and having a great lawyer makes a huge difference. That's where our amazing partner and longtime sponsor, Morgan & Morgan, comes in, a firm with over 1,000 attorneys and some pretty sweet merch too. Logan, zoom in on that. Thank you. 1,000 attorneys, and that's because they win a lot. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan secured a verdict of $29 million in Philadelphia, $2.7 million in Florida, and $5.6 million for a car crash victim in Georgia after insurance offered their client $0 in that case. Even if your case isn't worth millions, why not start a claim, fight for what you deserve? Morgan & Morgan makes it truly so easy. You can start a claim from your phone in just 8 clicks or less. So if you're injured, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and pinned in the comments. Next, we're heading to Ohio, where a high school drama takes a wild turn. A host family reports to school officials that their 16-year-old Venezuelan exchange student isn't exactly who he claims to be. In fact, he's reportedly 24 and allegedly forged documents to sneak into high school like it's an episode of 21 Jump Street International Edition. Perrysburg Township Police track him down during a traffic stop, but here's the twist. He's allegedly riding shotgun in a car driven by the same woman who blew his cover.
98 to 43. 43. Any cell phones on this person, go ahead and seize. That one.
Once police confirm his identity, police slap on the cuffs and make the arrest.
Alright, just give me 1 second. Anthony. Hello, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
What's your name, man?
I'm Tony. Anthony.
Anthony?
Yeah.
What, last name?
Labrador.
Okay. Alright, can you step up for me, man?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You guys?
Yeah, just take your phone.
Yeah.
Turn around. Right back, right?
Try it again.
I'm just gonna take it. You got anything that's gonna focus sticky?
No, nothing.
No? Okay. So I'm gonna just put you in handcuffs now. I'm gonna pat you down, okay?
According to the U.S. Customs and Border Patrol, Anthony had an expired work visa and he was considered an overstay in this county, so now he's facing a forgery charge. Anthony pleaded not guilty to the charges and his bond was set at $50,000. At the time of this recording, he's awaiting his next court date. Next, we're heading to Pullman, Washington, where Officer Carpenter gets a call regarding a suspected shoplifting in progress at a local Walmart. The store's loss prevention manager instantly recognizes 21-year-old Hannah Meany when she enters the store and starts to observe her since she's allegedly pulled the stunt twice before. This time, the manager watches her at the self-checkout, ringing up some items and reportedly forgetting the rest. But before things escalate, Officer Carpenter gives her the chance to come clean.
Okay, so what happened today? We're good. Thank you.
I was just being naive and stupid, and I will say the pistol was an honest mistake, and I forgot it was a man, but the Jergens I stole, and I don't know, I don't really have an explanation, and this is my first police encounter, so I don't know what to do about the attorney thing. I don't have very many words to say.
Okay.
I'm just.
Did you have the money to pay for the Jergens?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do you know why you chose to steal it instead?
I think that kids here, I just know that is something that a lot of people do, and that doesn't mean that I have an excuse to do it myself at all. It was a very mistake, and I'm very sorry about it. It was just a mistake.
Alright, Hannah, this is a notification restriction from property. This is a trespass for all Walmarts in the United States. That is the parking lot and the building. If you come back to any Walmart, you can be arrested for misdemeanor trespassing. If you still put this in effect, it's an automatic felony, as that's burglary because you're not supposed to be on the property, okay?
Pullman 458 name?
And sign.
The loss prevention manager wastes no time. He files the paperwork to ban Hannah from committing this act a fourth time by banning her from every Walmart in the country. And just like that, the consequences come crashing down.
You are under arrest at this time, okay? So go ahead and stand up. Turn around, put your hands behind your back for me, please. Alright. Thank you. Go ahead and widen your stance a little bit for me. Widen your stance just a little bit, Hannah. A little bit wider. I'm not very tall. Thank you. So because you're under arrest, you have those same rights that I already told you. Do you understand those still, or would you like me to repeat them?
I understand.
Okay, you are being audio and video recorded, and it is 4:15 on Monday, September 30th. Okay, do you have anything sharp on you? Anything that's going to poke, stick, or cut me?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to search you quick, like your pockets in the shorts. No. And back of my hand. Okay, my car. It's right out here and to the left.
My friend is here.
One in custody. What was that?
My friend is here, and I drove both of us, so could I give her, I thought she was standing out here.
She probably diffed when I showed up.
Well, yeah, but I drove her is what I'm saying.
Oh.
It's okay. It's the short
Okay.
figure it out.
Alright, hang tight. Take a step towards the back. There we go. Alright. Go ahead and have a seat. Get that for me, these don't. Have you ever been arrested before, Hannah? Take these off of your head here. Okay, so once I get in the car, I'll explain what happens next to you.
Absolutely.
What happens next is we're going to go to Pullman's holding facility. It sounds like you're probably telling me the truth about not being arrested before, so since you don't have a history of failing to appear for court, or, and if I give you a court date, are you going to show up to it? Okay. So more likely than not, you'll be released from our holding facility without bail or anything like that. You'll just be released on your own recognizance. You'll get paperwork. I'll explain all of that to you at the time that I issue it. And then you will wait for the prosecutor to reach out to you about what happens next. Okay? So there's no tricks. There's no gotcha. I will explain everything, and if you have any questions, please ask them. Okay?
And what happened with those other two from earlier this month?
Those were, I believe they were just produce items, and, again, I don't have an excuse for you. It was just naive and being very,
Were those produce items you could have afforded?
yeah,
I appreciate you being honest with me. I know that's difficult, especially in the face of consequences. So it sounds to me like it's a thing that students are known to do sometimes. You tried it, it worked out for you, it kept working out, and then obviously you got caught the third time, and you probably did it this time because you didn't get caught the last 2 times. Is that correct?
yes.
I assume that lesson has been thoroughly learned.
Maybe not. So you can go right in through there and hang out on that other wall. Sorry. Yeah. I pointed that way, but I was trying to say right at the same time. Open the door. Yeah. Okay, we're going to have a seat in that brown chair up there. Could you do me a solid and call Morgan and let him know that the cars won't let me in to the computer? Thank you. And Hannah, I don't think you're gonna fight me, am I correct? Okay, I'll take you out of handcuffs. Alright, you can stand up for this part, it makes it much easier. Thank you. So if you want to call your friend and see if she will pick up the stuff, we can just, as long as it's okay with you, because it belongs to you, we will just pass that stuff all to her. Except your phone, because we'll need that. Perfect. And then she can come back and pick you up when you get released as well. Those are mine.
Okay, I'm under arrest. I'm at the police station. I need you to come, and they're letting you come pick up my stuff so you can go back.
Pullman 458 case number and time of custody?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. She said that you could do that so that it doesn't go bad. Just my stuff.
Got my things?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. How should I let her know when she's here, or let you know when she's here?
She can just come into the lobby and he'll let me know.
Okay, yeah, you can just come into the lobby and then they'll see you and then let you.
Pullman Police, not WSU.
Yeah, come.
2 separate stations.
2 separate, so come to Pullman, not WSU. Okay, thank you. Love you more. Bye.
Hi, is one of you? Yes. Okay, so those are all, and they're slightly heavy. Yeah, so they have a bunch of fridge stuff, so it doesn't go bad.
Is she gonna have her phone? Like, should I contact her parents or?
So no phones in jail, but she's just being held until we get paperwork done.
Okay.
Unless there's some secret warrant out for her that we find when we check her criminal history or anything like that. So she's going to give you a call when she needs a ride home, because she more likely than not will be released from here within 6 hours.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hannah was arrested and charged with 3 counts of third-degree theft. She accepted a plea deal where she pled guilty to 1 count and the other 2 were dismissed. The judge sentenced her to 36 hours of community service, $16.11 restitution at Walmart, and 4 months of supervised probation. As long as Hannah completes all the terms of her agreement within 4 months, her sentence will be deferred. I also want to thank Upside for sponsoring After Hours. Upside's a free app that gets you cash back on daily essentials like gas, food, and groceries. This is real cash back. It shows up in your Upside app, and then you just transfer it straight into your bank account. The other day, I went out to a diner, fantastic spread, great coffee. I used Upside, I got cash back. Also, every single time I fill up my tank now, I use Upside. The first time I used Upside when I got gas, I got almost $8 back, like actually insane. So once you have the Upside app, claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside. You pay as usual using your debit or credit card, follow the steps on the app, and you get paid. To find out how much you could earn, click the link in the description to download Upside or scan the QR code on screen. Use our promo code AFTERHOURS. You get an extra 25 cents back on every gallon on your first tank of gas. That's promo code AFTERHOURS for an extra 25 cents back on your first gallon of gas. We end today's episode with a trip to Eclair, where police show up outside of the 2 bars, Shenanigans and Lucky's Bar, and let's just say the name fits. Staff had confiscated an ID from a woman they suspected was underage, and that's when officers step in to sort things out.
So they're in the back, they won't leave. They're outside right now.
Are they still inside?
Yeah, so it's somebody that we know would like do that. One of them was 19, had a good pass back, so I double check for him, asked him to leave. And I was going to take the ID since it's not her ID. And then they just want to leave. They sat at the door. They're in the mid back right now. I have my team watching them, but they started threatening us, so I just went.
What were saying to you?
Oh, they threatened to shoot us, but yeah, so they're saying they're going to get people coming.
Officers roll out into the bar looking for the suspects to issue trespass warnings, but the night's far from over.
What's going on?
Give me my ID.
What is going on?
Give me my ID, dude.
Tell me what's going on, and we can give
Her
it to you.
baby daddy is being weird. That's all.
Okay, is that the guy she was talking to?
Yes. That's all that's going on, and he's just trying to be weird about everything.
Okay.
Just calm down. No, stop talking. Okay. Stop talking back. Do we want to do DC or?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So,
dude,
you're not free to leave. You're going to be getting a citation.
Okay, give me the citation so I can get the out of here.
Well, it's a real ID. So
I don't have it on me. I don't.
That's her ID.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Am I getting my ID or not?
What's your first name?
Okay.
No, you're not free to leave.
If you walk away again, you're going to go in handcuffs.
And then you can go to jail.
For what?
Obstructing.
I didn't even give them my ID, dude. They snatched it. I walked in there, no one ID'd me.
What is your name? I'm asking
I walked
you your
in
name.
there and no one ID'd me.
What's your name?
Like, that's so dumb, dude.
What's your name?
If you don't give it to us willingly, we'll ID you at the jail. I'd rather you just give us your name verbally.
We can just give you your citation and be done with this.
Am I getting the ID back?
What's your name?
Am I getting the ID back?
Is this your ID?
I have my ID.
It doesn't look like you. So until we can prove it's your
I'm
ID.
a different wig, so y'all say it's not me either.
Okay.
Fake ID.
Here's a No. If she's not going to ID herself, she can go to jail. You have one chance to tell me your name.
Try to put her in handcuffs, because...
Am I getting my ID?
What's your name?
Am I getting my ID?
If it's yours, you can have it back.
Okay, so give it to me.
What is your name?
Can I have my ID?
No, you can't.
So why am I still here? Just take the ID and go.
Because you are getting a citation.
Because I walked in there and they didn't ID
yourself,
me.
Okay.
And I have my friend's purse.
You need to identify yourself. What is your name?
Can I have ID?
No.
For what? They didn't ID me when I went in.
This again.
That doesn't make sense. They didn't ID me when I went in.
What is your name?
Then I pulled out 2 different IDs. They grabbed one.
Okay, why do you have 2 different IDs if that one's yours?
Because I'm with a group of people.
Okay, so you have someone that's not you.
I have mine and someone else's. It doesn't matter. I have someo's purse. Does it matter?
Do you have your ID on?
I don't.
Okay, so whose ID is this?
It doesn't matter whose ID it is.
Well, it's not you.
It's okay. I have my friend's purse, and I don't even have the purse anymore because dude trying to press me for the ID.
Can you simply tell me your name? We'll give you a citation, and you can walk away. Otherwise, if you don't, you will go to the jail, sit in jail until Monday, or until they can identify you.
Am I getting my ID back?
No. That's our 2 options. Which one?
So I don't get the ID back when I had 2 IDs in my hand and he snatched one and said, "This isn't you."
Correct.
He didn't ID me when I walked through the door.
Okay.
So if I had 3 IDs and he grabbed one and that's my fault?
What is your name?
But you're not understanding. He didn't grab my ID when I walked through the door.
You're refusing to answer my questions.
I can give you my name, but are you listening?
I am.
I walked through the door. No one ID'd me.
Okay.
So why would he choose to grab
I don't know.
each
We weren't here. We don't work
so
for
bring
Chacon.
the out here.
We don't need to.
Why not?
Tell me your name.
Because I never gave him an ID.
Okay, we're not arguing anymore. What is your name?
Kiana Robinson, dude.
Kiana Robinson?
Yes.
One officer breaks off to have dispatch run the newly named suspect.
Kiana Robinson.
Dude, that's so up because I had IDs in my hand.
How do you spell your first name?
Can I have my ID? Sound it out.
Then stop talking over me.
Please answer when I first asked.
When they take someone's ID, they take it because either you're underage or else it doesn't look like you.
IDs. That don't make no
So
sense.
if he thought it wasn't you, which it's not, they're gonna take the ID.
Okay,
and
can I give him mine?
Then they call us.
Can
to
I give
verify.
him mine?
She gave him and my ID.
It doesn't matter. He
so
took
can I
the
get
wrong
my ID back? That's the only reason why I'm out
You
here.
just
I
told
want
me you
my
don't
ID.
have an ID on you.
Because I walked out and went back in before y'all even came here. I've been in there 3 times today.
Okay.
No one ID'd me.
How old is she?
Can you confirm her age?
It doesn't matter how old I am. He did ID me when I walked through the door.
What do y'all need backup for?
Please bring them. Tell these 2 they wrong because they didn't ID me.
Just hang out here while I do citations. Sure. Okay. Thank you.
He was running. Pick your option. Grab that one. I'm about to walk in there.
I don't even know why you gave it to his ass.
He snatched whatever one he felt like. That don't make no sense.
Is that creature?
His ass too.
Hey, creature, go home.
It takes that long? Can I get the citation and
She's
go?
working on it.
Yeah. When she gets that done, then you guys can go.
Dude, that don't make no sense because I had 2 IDs. Can you go check the cameras? I had 2 IDs. He grabbed the wrong one. That's not my fault. He snatched the in my hand. Rude as
Well, either way, you're 19, so you can't be in a bar.
I've been in Alpat and I've been in Pickle and they haven't ID'd me.
Alpat's different.
But, okay, what about Pickle? I walked in there and no one ID'd me.
You still can't go into Pickle at 19 either.
But it's the same as Alpat. Alpat's a bar.
Alpat serves food, so therefore,
there's
21 or people under 21 can go in there.
So I might as well go to the depot too because they sell food. Or Ringwong because they sell food.
Moral of the story, can the person that ID'd this come get their
Can the person that tried to take the ID come here?
I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay, so why isn't she here and why does she have it?
I have 2 IDs. She left. She's drunk.
Okay, so no, you are not getting it back.
She's already here. She needs her ID back.
She's drunk. She went home.
Okay. So what does she have to do to get her ID back?
That'll be up to Officer Hare, but if it were up to me, you wouldn't be getting it back. She's working on your citation.
Can you walk her?
No.
Because that don't make sense. I had 2 IDs.
She'll explain it to you when she gets back.
She seemed a little slow too. And then you got a 4th one.
Kiana starts pacing to pass the time, but her restless energy does not help.
Freedom of speech. I'm not even 10 minutes away from the. Stop talking to me.
I'll show you freedom to take her to jail.
He wanted that. Please stop talking.
I'm going to talk to you.
Michaela, he wanted that.
You can go to jail too. That's fine. You can go to jail.
I don't got time for that. Baby, I will cuss you the out.
Okay, and you can go to jail.
Why?
I don't
He
care.
ain't one of them. I can't walk back and forth.
I don't
breathe.
care.
Y'all not even gonna put me in handcuffs if I can't walk.
Instead of calming down, she keeps moving and moves herself right into more trouble.
I don't got time for this.
Got time for following this. Like I won't smack the. And they already shot a black woman.
Did you just say you're going to smack me?
No, y'all just shot a black mom, dude.
Did you say you're going to smack me?
She's talking to a black woman in Chicago. You don't have to get in my face.
I don't care.
She's talking to her
You
mom.
don't have to get in my face.
You're going to jail.
No, she's not. Michaela,
You're
stop.
going to jail.
She's talking to her mom, talking about my baby daddy.
Please don't talking about daddy. I'm not even talking to you. Get off of her.
You don't threaten law
I'm not
enforcement.
talking to you.
You don't threaten law
I'm not talking to
enforcement.
you, bro. I'm not even talking to you. I'm talking about. Please call my mom.
You don't threaten to smack a law enforcement
I'm not
officer.
even talking about you, bro. I'm talking about her baby, bro.
No, you said it to me.
I'm not even talking about you. Kiana, relax and grab my phone.
I can't. I'm handcuffed too.
Why y'all tackling an unarmed woman?
Literally. Can you get off of me, bro? I have a whole baby. Get the off of me. I didn't do shit. I have a whole baby. Get the off of me.
Enough.
Bro, I have a whole baby that's waiting for me.
Okay, then stop making it worse.
I'm not making shit worse.
Stop making it worse.
I have a baby that is waiting on me. Get the off of me.
Stop making it worse.
Get off of me, bro. I have a whole child at home. Get off. Get off of me. I have a whole baby at home. Get the off of me.
Calm down.
Get off of me because I will tweak out about my child.
Calm down.
She needs her mom, bro. Get the off of me. I have a whole baby at home, bro. Get off of me, please.
Can you settle down?
No, I have a child. I'm not gonna settle down.
They're gonna stand you up, okay? They don't want you to fight you.
I have a whole child at home. Y'all need to get the off of me.
Well,
I wasn't even
right
talking to you. I was on the phone with my sister.
You want to stand up? Can we stand you up?
I want to stand up on my own. I don't want to have no handcuffs on me and stand up with the.
We're that now, okay? We're gonna have to stand up.
We're not past. It's not even my issue.
We're giving you a chance to stand up and be decent. Otherwise, you're going that.
Stretcher.
That's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Burrito.
Yep, you're gonna get wrapped up in front of everybody.
I want y'all to get off of me, bro.
Let's try and help you.
Bro.
Officers assemble to lift and escort 22-year-old Michaela Patterson to the patrol car after things escalate fast.
Can y'all put my titties away?
Yeah, that's up. Y'all sexually assaulting a woman.
This is
bro.
I have a whole child.
Are you sure?
And y'all
Are you
pissing
sure?
me off. I'm not
I don't think you have that consent to do that.
Y'all are
You should
pissing me off.
You should
real
not
bad.
record her.
I'm not recording her for I'm recording you.
Her
You
breasts
can
were
keep
hanging out.
recording
Can't
and send
record
this
her.
to Crystal Marie on Facebook.
You're a
Send this my
Okay,
mom.
that's fine. You can say what you want.
An unarmed woman, you gotta take her to the floor.
Okay.
How does it get like that?
That's what I'm saying. How?
You fight people?
Yeah, I fought a grown man before.
We're gonna go to the. Really pisses me off. I'm not even gonna lie. We're on this one. I will. This one? This one? I don't care. Alright. Bet. What's your name?
Officer Wold, W-O-L-D.
Where's my phone and my ID?
Yep. This is her stuff.
If she's gonna do that, then yes.
Who's that? Oh, that's the other girl?
That's the other girl.
I didn't know there was two. You guys get here? You guys get here? Alrighty. Let's get him out of here.
Yeah. Let's roll. This is, who's got this one? That's her stuff there. Let's meet in the jail parking lot for stuff. Yeah, I mean...
I was just going to order them.
No, they can all go to jail with all this.
She was starting to threaten me, saying that she was going to punch
She threatened to slap me, so...
Okay. Can we make them post?
Yes. Yes.
Kiana pleaded no contest to being an underage person entering a tavern and disorderly conduct. She received a $452 fine. As long as she completes her 40 hours of community service, she'll avoid a criminal record. Michaela's charged with threatening, resisting police, and disorderly conduct. At the time of this recording, her case is still open. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Law&Crime After Hours is researched. It's written and produced by Jordan Chacon. Video editing is done by Logan Harris. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.